Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a haul today, so let's check it out. This is going to be my Stampin' Up! Haul from the new catalog, and I don't know exactly what it is. It took a long time to get here this particular time, so my brain has completely forgot. So this is just going to be a nice little surprise for me. So let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. Okay. So yes, of course, I had to get all of the in color blends. So every in color I got in the blends. And then we're going to be doing my in color club, which if you're in that, you'll get one of each of these each month. Different color each month. And then the sweet songbirds. The nice little, let's see, there we go. The nice little photopolymer stamp set there. And then this little guy goes with it. So great little punch called the Songbird Builder Punch. Oh, I only got a couple things here. Oh, this is what I wanted to try for sure. Let me get this box out of the way. All right. Okay, this is, look how big it is. It is the adhesive sheets. And I think, I'm not sure if these are adhesive or if these are for masking. I'll have to figure it out and I'll let you know. And then I've got the layering circles dies. Now, I may have this already, and if I have this, that means it's going to go into my door prize for my online classes. I also got the envelopes. Let's check these out. These are in color envelopes. Let's see, are they the note cards and envelopes? Yes, they are. They're cards and envelopes. And they are also in color. And again, these are going to be in my in color club as well. So you'll get these each time in your color as well. And look at these. Oh, that's the parakeet party and the note cards. And it looks like the note cards match with the envelopes. So we will see. So next is the sweet sorbet. Yep, the note card matches with that. Same with the Tahitian Tide. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. This is the Orchid Oasis. Matching there. This is just making cards so easy. And then this one is the Starry Sky, and that matches there. So, oh, beautiful, beautiful. I cannot wait. I may have to do some card buffets with these. And what else? That's it, but I did want to show you. We had my online class. We used the Blessings of Home. And here are two of the cards. And then here's a slimline card. And these were just with this stamp set here. So very nice. That was the Blessings of Home. And then I wanted to let you know that we're going to be doing this month is the Ranunculus Romance. So you'll want to order this from me before the 10th of each month, or the 10th of this month, to be in this month's class. It's the last Saturday of the month. And if you are on my team already, you don't need to buy this from me. Buy it from yourself and then attend the class. So, all right, I cannot wait to show you what I do with all of this stuff. If you wanted to order anything that you like, the website, my online store is jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. And if you do purchase, just use this host code if you're under $150. If you're over $150, don't use the host code, and that way you get your own rewards there. All right, beauties, I cannot wait to show you more. I hope you have a wonderful day, and make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you would. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps my channel, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.